We can make use of the split line or wrap tool to create split lines on surfaces. So are there any differences between these two features? Let's find out in this video. If you think that the split line feature and the wrap feature both produce identical results, think again. There's a major difference in the way sketches are projected in each of these features. To demonstrate, I will attempt to project this rectangle onto this cylinder. Let's start with the split line feature. We shall color the resultant split face red. If we view normal to the sketch plane, the resultant face is a perfect match to the sketch lines. The split line feature projects the sketch in a direction that is normal to the sketch plane. If we could draw lines connecting the corners of the sketch to the corners of the resultant face, the lines will be perpendicular to the sketch plane. Next, we shall use the Scribe option inside of the wrap feature. Coloring the face red and looking normal to the sketch plane, the resultant face looks shorter. As the name of the wrap feature suggests, the sketch is wrapped around the cylindrical face of the cylinder to produce this effect. Think of the sketch plane as a sheet of paper that is wrapped around the cylinder. So do take note of this difference the next time you want to choose between these two features to create split lines. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.